Heath, select number 11. Oh, there's the... Oh, snap. Terrible. Terrible. Tyler Boyd to 125, rookie blue die cut. Tight end 2. Tight end 2. Steve, how much for what? Khalil Mack. Tricolor. Oh, nice one. Zeke. Tricolor Zeke. Yeah. What's up, Neil? Uh-oh. 30 of 49. Carson Wentz rookie autograph. Numbered to 49. Heath. Select is 155 for personals. Numbered to 99, Von Miller. Jersey. I'm pretty sure he's happy that Wentz is kind of following him right now. He's everywhere. There's another Wentz. I think you hit his rookie in both. John Elway to 149 blue. What's up, John Bull? I just saw your message. I'm sorry. Good, man. Those suckers, man, they came out of nowhere. Our sirens didn't even go off. Out of nowhere, just boom. Ryan Fitzpatrick, tricolor. Tom Brady to 99. Yep. Watch Wentz. His stuff's going up. Wentz again. You got both. Number to 199, Kelvin Taylor. So this is one of the 2 auto boxes. I don't think you're complaining with one of them being a Wentz. No relic auto. Goff, Winston, and Le'Veon Bell. Le'Veon Bell. Heath, there you have it, brother.